Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 11.2, 10th problem and 11th problem and so on. So for that, the problem is given. The pentagonal shaped arc as shown in the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a pentagon. For finding its area, two persons, Jyoti and Kavita, divided this part into our known form. That is, Jyoti divided this diagram by using this line. Introduce one line here. And Kavita's introduced another line. This is the horizontal line. This line introduced. Find the area of this part using both ways. We need to find that area using both ways. So, we need to consider this is a pentagonal shape. Suppose the line introduced means we need to think about which are the shapes formed here. For that it may be a trapezium, or it may be square, or it may be rectangle, or it may be triangle. So like that we need to think about the particular shape. So we need to give another suggestion also. If any possibilities are there, we need to give another suggestion. That is another line. What are the possible line we can reduce the particular diagram. Right. So further here, think about that thing 15 meter, 15 meter, 15 meter. And the whole distance is 30 meter. Actually this is given. If it's 30 meter, so automatically we can consider this side as a solution. For this side, we are going to find the same. So for the first one, do this diagram area. So first one, do this diagram area. Right. For that, I am going to give a name as A, B, C, maybe D, E, and F. So think about the division line. I am going to draw the picture. This is actually the left side part, this part. So that is A, B, C, and D. So now this is a perpendicular symbol. So this is a middle line. So middle line distance is given 30 meter. This line given as 15 meter. Now think about this side. Totally CE 15 meter. This total distance 15 meter. So half of the distance. So 15 by 2, that is 7.5 meter, or I can write 7.5 meter. So think about this shape. What is the shape? This one. It's a trapezium shape. So this one is a trapezium. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. So shape given no pentagon. So these two lines are parallel. This side is distance between the parallel side. So I can consider this one as height, this one as A, this one as B, or A 50, B 30. Like that I am going to consider. So from this picture I am going to write the thing. So this distance is 7.5 meter. So I am going to write the value. So for that, here I am going to consider the sides. Here AD, let AD equal to, I am going to consider as A because of it's a trapezium. Okay. So AB equal to. So for that, I am going to write therefore A, B, C, D is a trapezium. So therefore AB equal to, I need lines A, B and H. So AB equal to this distance is 30 meter. That is A equal to 30 meter, and BC equal to, I am going to consider B is 15 meter given, and this distance, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines, so CD equal to H, I am going to consider 7.5 meter. Right. I think about the another point. So it's also trapezium, the same data. So think about this one. Data. So that is A, D, E, F. So here AD is 30 meter this distance. F E 15 meter. This distance half of 15 by 2, 15 by 2, that is 7.5. Same data, 15, 30, 7.5, same data. So the area of Jyoti diagram equal to 2 times the area of this two trapezium. Or separate trapezium answer also we can find. By using this also I can give a answer. So here a single thing is given. So ABCD is a trapezium. Similarly, ADEF also trapezium. So both are equal. Finally, I can write 2 into the area of trapezium. So both data are equal, and ABCD is a trapezium. We need to find this area. So area of ABCD, that is trapezium, 1/2 H into A plus B. So 1/2 into H value 7.5 and the A value 30 plus B value 15. So 1/2 into 7.5 into 30 plus 15, 45. Right. This is actually area of the trapezium ABCD. Now the area of the whole thing, don't multiply the thing, after that we can multiply. Why I tell you. The whole thing is 2 times the area of ABCD, because both are equal now. So we can write area of this side ABCEF. ABCEF equal to 2 times of 2 into area of, this is a ABCD. Why? ABCD and AFED both are equal. So we can write into 2. So 2 into area of ABCD. That is 2 into, already we have the answer, 1/2 into 7.5 into 45. Now cancel this 2. Now 7.5 into 45. Otherwise, find the area of ABCD separately and find the area of AFED separately by using the same data. We can get 2 answers. Finally add the 2 answers. Now area of ABCEF equal to 45 into 75. Two decimal because 5 both are decimal, so 30. Sorry, only one decimal. 45 no. 337.5. Unit meter, so meters. So Jyoti's diagram, the division is this line. So using this we have 2 trapezium. If you have one trapezium data H, A and B, this value H CD. This value A or B, anyone. This value A or B, anyone. So we taken AB equal to, sorry, we taken AD equal to AD, not AD. AD equal to 30. BC equal to 15. And CD equal to 15 by 2. The same data here. So finally we can write area of ABCD, the area of trapezium, answer. And here we need another trapezium also. Both are equal. The two trapeziums are equal. So I can write area of the whole path equal to, that is area of the diagram equal to 2 times of area of ABCD. A, B, C, E, F. Are the 2 times of ABCD. So 2 into 1 by 2 this data. So cancel this 2. Multiply 7.5 and 45. So this one is a Jyoti diagram. Okay. Now consider next question answer. So here we have answer 53.5. 337.5 meters square. This is the first one. Now come to Kavita's diagram. The same way I am going to give the name P, Q, R, S, T. So think about the whole thing. The division is here. So this one is this shape. It's a triangle. And think about this shape. This shape is given 15 meter. This shape is 15 meter. This shape is 15. This side is 15 meter. So all the sides are 15. This is also 15 meter. So all the sides are 15 meter means this one is a square. So the area of the whole thing is area of the triangle plus area of the square. Okay. Further, here I need a perpendicular line. I can consider QT as a base, but perpendicular line is not given directly. We need to find. So this line is already given in the form of perpendicular line, that is 30. This line is a perpendicular line. Think about the whole distance is 30. This distance is nothing but 15. So I need only this distance. This distance is nothing but 30 minus 15. P, Q, R, S, T. This one is U. This point is U. So I need data. So area equal, that is total area equal to area of the triangle A, Q, T plus area of, this one is a square. So square Q, R, S, T. Okay. Now we need a separate answer. Now triangle. In that triangle, I am going to consider base. So QT equal to, that is base 15 meter, and height PU equal height. PU equal to this height. Total thing PM minus UM. That is 30 minus 15. This total distance 30, this distance is 15, distance 15, so remaining 15. So equal to 15 meter. So equal to, therefore base equal to 15 meter and height also 15 meter. So area for square, area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into base 15, height 15. 15 no, so 7 15s are 14, remaining 1. So put one decimal, so 5 2s are 10. So 7.5 into 15. 1.5 into 15. Multiply after the two decimal. 25 into 2. So 112.5. 112.5. Next one, this one area of triangle over. Next area of square we need. Square equal to a square. This square thing we need. So area of square equal to square which is square. Here given no Q or ST equal to what? This side 15, this a square. So 15 square, so 225. So equal to the 225. So meter. So here first area of the triangle plus area of the square. Area of the triangle 112.5 and area of the square 225 meter square. We need to add this two things. So area is 112.5 square is 225. So equal to 112.5 plus 225. So 7.5 meters square. So the idea is nothing but for a Kavita diagram, the whole thing is divided into two parts by using this line. So area of the triangle plus area of the square. For that height we need height. This one is a height. So 30 minus 15. This one, so 15 meter. 30 minus 15. This is height. So this one is a base. Where the perpendicular meet, that line is a base. So this one is a base. So base QT and this is a height. So I am written here. Base and height. For this area, square area, all the sides are 15. No? So A equal to 15. So area of the triangle directly you can write 1 by 2 base into height plus A square. So substitute your value and you can find this answer. Right. So this one is over. So both answers are equal. So whatever may be, you can write the answer. So next one, suppose suggest some other way. Suppose this the thing is given 15, 15, 15. Suppose you have a line this thing. You can divide using another line. This line. So think about the shapes. This is the triangle. This shape is triangle. And this shape is also perpendicular line. So this is also another triangle. So triangle 1. This one is triangle 2. And this is also another triangle. So this one is triangle 3. So the area of the whole shape, area of the pentagon equal to area of the triangle 1 plus triangle 2 plus triangle 3. For this already you know that area of the triangle we written base and height. Base is 15, height also 15. For this is a perpendicular symbol given. No, so anyone has a base in a right angle triangle. Anyone gives. Suppose this is our base. This is the height. 1 by 2 base into height. Base 15, height also 15. Think about this side. This is a perpendicular line. So you can consider this is also base or this is also base. So 1 by 2 into base. This is also 15, this is also 15. 1 by 2 base into 15. So this one also 1 by 2 base into 15. 15 into 15 plus triangle 1. Triangle 2. 1 by 2 into 15 into 15 plus 1 by 2 into 15 into 15. You can add all those three things. So finally we can get your answer. 112.5, 112.5 plus 112.5. So that is 337.5. Now we are going to discuss next problem. The problem is given. Diagram of the picture. Frame is outer dimension. What is meant by frame? Suppose consider this board. This thing is called frame. In the photo we have frame. So like that frame has outer dimension, outer edge, outer dimension. It's given 24 into 28. Length into breadth form given. So length 24 and breadth 28 like that given. And inner dimension also is 16 into 20 centimeters is given. Length 16, breadth 20 like that given. So we can consider this one is breadth, this one is length. Find the area of each section of the frame. They are not asked to find the area of the frame, but each section. Each section means this is only the section. And this is the section. For this section, just I am going to draw the separate diagram. So what is meant by, they say, these two sides are parallel, these two sides are unparallel. So one side is parallel means we can tell this shape is a trapezium. So you can consider each section is a trapezium shape. All are trapezium. So then I am going to give the name of this thing A, B, C, D, E. This one E, F, G, H. Now consider this one is A, B, F and E. This one is a trapezium A, B, F, E. This is the trapezium. Now think about the same thing. Both are same. So this is also trapezium. So each section means this is also equal. So both are equal. Right. Now come to another form. First of all, I am going to find the answer of this trapezium. So each section we need to find now. So for that trapezium, this is trapezium. So that trapezium A, B, F, E. Okay, one. Each section. Then come to this side. So trapezium. This frame. So this frame is nothing but HG CB. This is. Next, this two thing. So this two thing also consider as trapezium. Why? So this one of the line, this also line given us. These two sides are parallel. So we can tell this A, D, E, H, AD and AH are parallel. So this shape also is a trapezium shape. So for that I am going to find the area of the trapezium. So trapezium, this A, E, H, D. Third one. Next one, trapezium. F G C D or B C G F, anything your choice. Right. Now consider the same. So this length is given as outer side, so 28 centimeters. 28. This side is given inner side, so 20 centimeters. Now we need the distance between these two parallel sides. For that, each section of the frame, if the frame of each section is the same, so frame with equal here, then how to find the width? So for that, here total distance is 24. That is, suppose this one is 24 centimeter. And they consider this right 16 centimeter. After this 16 centimeter. Now we need this distance. How to find this distance? Actually, 24 minus 16, 8. 8 we need to divide into two parts. So this total 1 and 2. Together answer is 8 centimeter. So combined form is 8 centimeter. But we need separate distance with. So that I am going to write 4 and 4. So 4 plus 16 plus 4 is 24. So this is the width. So automatically you can think that this distance is 4 equal width. So similarly, about this distance 28, this one is 20, 28 minus 20, 8. 8 we need to divide into two parts, so 4 plus 4. This width also 4. This width also 4. So this width also 4. So the 4 is the distance between the parallel sides. So using this data, we are going to find the value. For that area of trapezium, we know that 1 by 2 h into a plus b. For that, this frame of AB 28. So A equal to 28 and B equal to this inner side, so 20. So this is, so this one is 28, this one is 20, this distance is 4 and h is equal to 4. So area equal to area of AB FE equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 28 plus 20. 1 by 2 into 4 into 28 plus 20 is 58. So 2, 48 or 96 centimeters square. So the area of the first section is the same. Similarly, this is also area of. So two way of answer you can write. So one is area of, both are equal, ABFE equal to area of HGCD. Why? Same A value. This is A value 28 in this picture here. This is 28, this value 20, this is for same data. So definitely both are equal, area of is equal. So area of AB FE equal to 96 centimeters. So this is also the second one answer. Or in different form you need to give means the same thing you can write. This is 4 centimeter. This is 28. This is 20 centimeter. So A equal to 28. B equal to 20. And the h is equal to 4. So area of HGCB equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 28 plus 20. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 48. After cancelling this, 96 centimeters square. Both are equal. Right. Now come to this one. So we are going to find the area of this trapezium. A, E, H, D. AD value 24 centimeter, and this distance is 16 centimeter, and this one is height 4 centimeter. So we are going to use this thing. That is 24, 16, 4. So therefore A is equal to 24 centimeter, B is equal to 16 centimeter, the H is equal to 4 centimeter. So area of trapezium AEHD equal to 1 by 2 into area of trapezium 1 by 2 H into A plus B. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 24 plus 16. 1 by 2 into 4 into 24 plus 16, 40. So you can get 80. And second, this trapezium, so that is same data. So 24, 16, the height 4. So you can write the other area of BCGF equal to area of previous AEHD, that is previous trapezium. So these are the trapezium answer 80 centimeters square. So this is also answer. Like that you can write. It's enough. But anyway you can find by using trapezium answer. So the area of BCGF equal to, that is trapezium 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. So 1 by 2 into, so A value 24, B value 16, H 4 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 4 into A plus B. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 40. After cancelling this, 2 into 40, 80. So 80 centimeters. So each frame answer 96 centimeters square. Here also 96 centimeters square. 80 centimeters square. Here also 80 centimeters square. This is the each section frame. First we completed this one. Next we completed the second frame. Third we completed this frame. So this is the frame.